DC power cord for car, AC power cord for home. Handle, stress base. Now the back side, this. AC power cord, DC power cord for car. Then when you insert AC power cord, you have to on this and off in the middle. On, off. When you use DC power cord, then you have to on DC, then off. Okay. Very easy. And these two for hot and cold. For hot and cold. When you insert AC power cord, you plug into AC switch. On this, the green light appears. It means it is on cool mode. Okay. And you can change it hot mode, cold mode, hot, cold, and even if you want to off it, off, then on. Same function you can use with DC power cord. You have to insert this plug into your car circuit plug, and another corner to here. Now, the capacity of this car fridge is 10 liter, the volume actually, and this is 1 liter water bottle of a different size, and it's very easy. And this 500 ml water bottle. Design is there is the door lock system, on and off. It's just the weight of this is only 4 kg, and also you will receive a user manual. There's a fan here.